The Inquiries page helps you simplify the process of screening and onboarding prospective clients, makes sure you get your intake documentation completed as needed, and provides a better experience for your potential clients. On the left menu, select Inquiries. The Inquiries page provides a centralized location to track your prospective clients and onboard them to become active clients. There are 3 ways prospective clients are created: by manually creating a client, by offering the contact form on your website or client portal, and by offering online appointment requests to new prospective clients. Or if the client has already been created, you can also change the client status drop-down to prospective status. To create a prospective client manually, click Create and then Create Client. After filling in the required information, you can click the Status Radio button to change the client status to Prospective. This way, the client will be listed on your Inquiries page and won't be part of your active client list. If someone submits a contact form on your client portal, professional website, widget, or shared link, a new prospective client will be automatically created. On the right side of a prospective client, click the 3 horizontal dots to access options like Share Intake Documents, Schedule Appointment, Make Client Active, Archive Client, and View Profile. Prospective clients have limited client portal access, so you have the option to send them intake paperwork. And if you decide to start seeing the client, you can easily change their status to active, and they will appear in your active client list. Or if they do not become an active client, you can use the archived status to remove them from your inquiries list. This makes it clear that this was simply an inquiry and they didn't establish a clinical relationship in your practice. As a reminder, you can use the inactive status if you want to remove a client from your active client list, while safely preserving their documentation and history with your practice, as may be required by law. On your clients page, you can use the filters to easily view clients in each status. Thanks for watching.